Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove the Enter Your Email Address pop-up in Power BI Desktop. Alright, let's begin. First, if you have a work email account, log in with it. This usually stops the pop-up from appearing. If you don't have a work account, there's an alternative. Start by clicking the File tab at the top left in Power BI Desktop to return to the home view. Then, at the bottom left, select Options and Settings and click Options. In the Options menu, go to the Global section and select Preview Features. Look for the feature called Transalytical Task Flow, which is often enabled by default and triggers the pop-up. Simply uncheck the box to disable it and click OK to apply your changes. Finally, restart Power BI Desktop to ensure the changes take effect. After reopening, the Enter Your Email Address pop-up will no longer interrupt your workflow, providing a smoother experience while working with visualizations. So that's basically how you can remove the Enter Your Email Address pop-up in Power BI Desktop. That's it for this video. Thanks.